So far I have done lot of videos with respect to pressure washer, कॉफी मेकर या वैक्यूम क्लीनर, बट आज जो प्रोडक्ट मेरे पास है वो आपके रोजमर्रा की कुकिंग में हेल्प करेगा। सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू माय चैनल जीरो चार्ज। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट अंकित एंड आज की वीडियो में हम अनबॉक्स एंड रिव्यू करेंगे अगारो कास्ट आयरन पैन विद लिड। सो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। Alright, so inside the box we get one warranty card. This comes with 1 year of warranty, one user manual which explains how to clean it, wash it and maintain this cast iron pan. So this is the main unit. The model of this product is Agaro Royal Enamelled Cast Iron Saucepan. This comes with a capacity of 1.9 liters. You also get one lid in this which is made of cast iron. This pan has got a 19 centimeter diameter which is quite good. The best part about this product is that there is no chemical coating on this pan. Let's take a 360-degree view of this product. So this is how the pan looks. You can see how beautifully it is crafted. The tomato red color of this pan gives a very tempting look. The unibody design of this pan looks very premium. The long handle on the pan makes it easy to hold. Also, this cast iron pan is rust proof. Alright, so let's do some cooking on this pan and देखते हैं ये कैसा perform करता है। यूज करने से पहले हम एक बार पैन को क्लीन कर लेंगे। सो लेट मी टर्न ऑन द फ्लेम। सो यू कैन स्टार्ट विद लो हीट एंड ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज द फ्लेम। सो राइट नाउ आई एम बॉइलिंग मिल्क। यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज इट फॉर टी, सूप एंड सॉटे कुकिंग। द बॉटम surface of the pan is enamel coated which enables fast heating and even heat distribution. So you can see within just few minutes milk has started to boil. So now I will use this for sorting vegetables. I will add oil. So oil has started to release smoke and now I will add tomato. Always make sure to use a wooden or a silicone spatula to avoid scratches. This pan is gas and induction compatible. The cast iron material of this pan makes it long lasting and super durable. Let me close the lid now. Alright, so your tomato puree is ready. Similarly, you can cook other vegetables as well. Alright, so first I will rinse this pan. This pan is not dishwasher compatible. Now I will add dishwasher soap and wash it with the help of a sponge scrubber. I can also use a soft scrub for cleaning light stains. Do not use steel or hard scrubs as it will damage the pan. And finally wash it. For heavy stains you can sprinkle some salt and leave it for 5 minutes. Then you can wipe it with a damp cloth or a tissue paper. Or you can add hot water into the cooking pan for 5 minutes and then wash it. So you can see how easy it is to wash and finally it is clean. After cleaning, dry out the pan and now comes the most important part for cast iron care. So now we will do seasoning for this cast iron pan. Apply a thin layer of any kind of vegetable oil. Warm up the cookware slowly until some smoke begins to form. So once the smoke comes out, I will apply a small layer of oil again and then store it. आई होप आप लोगों को आज का वीडियो का फैंटास्टिक कास्ट आयरन पैन जो है वो पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया होगा, लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं। आप लोगों से गुजारिश है कि प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, इससे मुझे मोटिव से मिलता है ताकि आपके लिए मैं ऐसा कंटेंट बनाता रहूं। विद दैट नोट, कीप वॉचिंग जीरो चार्ज। जय हिंद।